So let us understand today in this new video the stock check process. What is stock check and why it is used and why it is so essential for any store to be successful. The stock check is basically in the form of two things, damages and shrinkages. It covers both, right? The benefit of system stock check is basically that it corrects the system stock. You can always see the correct picture of the inventory which is in your hand. The second is that your reordering levels are corrected and you can order correctly, which means that the Maggi you have in your inventory is say 100 pieces. It is actually 100 pieces because you have already corrected the system stock. Yeah. Now, when you do the reordering of Maggi, you will buy correctly, which will avoid overstocking and understocking both. You will have right SKUs in the floor because when we create the master, we say that supposing in a store, if you are using 5,000 SKUs in FMCG and grocery staples basically, then you should always have 5,000 SKUs. In case you don't have 5,000, you should at least have 4,000, 4,500. Your fill rate should be at least 85% to 95% at any given point of time. That is possible only when you have the correct system available, correct system with inventories available in the software. And this is also important to increase your sales month on month because your shelves will not be empty. Your customer will find the products and then your customer will buy more and more. There are many retailers which are in the unorganized category. They never do stock check. They feel हमें तो पता है ये सब चीजें. No, it doesn't work this way. It is actually very important for retailer to know each and every stock which he is buying. Otherwise, what will happen? He will make margin one side and he will lose margin in the form of shrinkages and damages. Let us understand shrinkage. There are two types of shrinkages, internal shrinkage and the external shrinkage. Internal shrinkage means that your staff is doing theft inside your store which you never know in collaboration with other staff members. You can never find out. Along with the customer also. And this is highly prevailing. It's prevalent across organized retail, I'm telling you. And then the other part is that you have external shrinkage, which means the customers are coming and buying. One way the customer is coming and stealing the product. Second is that he is doing it in connivance with the existing staff inside the store or the security guard. You will not have control. So it is important that you should know that what is the percentage of damages and shrinkage. Now damage is different. Damages means that it could be, I'll talk about it, right? I'll talk about it further. Now what you need is the right software and team to do stock check. Right? You should have the software capability to do the stock check. You should have right team to do the stock check. Let the other team come and do the stock check independently. Or the outside agency should come and do the stock check independently. The sales during this process should not be impacted. Right tools should be used. Category-wise stock check you should do, split over the days. You should have stock check calendar. You should do 4 stock check in every week, every quarter. Means every quarter 1 stock check you should do. Use of external vendor and internal team to do the stock check. This should be a combination, right? Ensure that stock check process is adhered 100%. Ensure that there is a discipline maintained. Select the team which is going to do the stock check. You should have enough hardware and IT resources available to help you do the stock check. Generally, the benchmark in grocery is about 0.5% which will be the shrink and the damages are 0.25. Now, what are the types of damages we have? We have vendor-led damages, means while bringing the stock, the product got damaged and we didn't see and the product is damaged. Then handling damages, while receiving the stocks or while dispatching the stocks to the floor or in transit damage is also prevalent. Warehouse damages, when you don't keep the stock properly in the warehouse, that is also one of the reasons. Shop soiled merchandise means on the floor itself that it got damaged or shop soiled. There is a customer damage also, and then you have got customer returns where you receive some damage or manufacturing defect products. Right? Manufacturing defect products are generally returned, or vendor damages are also returned, but then unless you don't identify the different buckets of damages, you cannot return it also, right? So that is extremely important. And then obviously, as I said, defectives and manufacturing defects can also be returned. So this is all about the stock check process, and let me tell you, you being the retail professional, you should have complete control on your shrinkage. If you are able to control your shrinkage, even if you don't have higher sales, you will be appreciated for your effort. And for retail business owners, it is extremely important that they must have a system to do stock check. That's all. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.